Hop up on the table at the meeting, no greeting. Skip the line, skip the dishes, bitch, I'm eating. I'm speeding, do my business plan like reading. If you ain't got what I want, then I'm leaving. I wanna raise, have some benefits. What a lazy boy chair, kick my feet up at the end of it. I've been nice at rapping since Nintendo beat up Genesis and love you. That me as a model of in residence, yeah. With my hair like a Milo, I want all the smoke, watch it below. For real though, what you need from me? Y'all sleep country. Now watch me pry they face up out they pillow. And still I ain't done. I'm on the come up like the sun. I'ma get it while I can. I ain't tryna leave with none. I ain't done. I'm doing laps, I'm on the run. I just need a chance, man. All I need is one. I ain't done. I'm on the come up like the sun. I'ma get it while I can. I ain't tryna leave with none. I ain't done. I'm doing laps, I'm on the run. I just need a chance, man. All I need is one. New York Fashion Week, strutting on the catwalk. I ain't trust a single motherfucker who can fast talk. Send me, I'm a G. Once I blast off, I'm a saucer, let me argue with the wax off. I can feel the breakthrough. I ain't see a sour face, we don't do no grapefruit. I just in my stride, there's some more to make do. We can do it live, I ain't need to take two. Nah, I ain't done. I'm on the come up like the sun. I'ma get it while I can. I ain't tryna leave with none. I ain't done. I'm doing laps, I'm on the run. I just need a chance, man. All I need is one. I ain't done. I'm on the come up like the sun. I'ma get it while I can. I ain't tryna leave with none. I ain't done. I'm doing laps, I'm on the run. I just need a chance, man. All I need is one.
Yeah, hey. Imagine if I didn't fail school and got a comfortable job. I might've never took a chance at doing something I love. I had nothing to lose, I was confused. All that I knew was writing raps could lighten the mood. Something to prove, gave nothing but truth. Too many rappers playing dress up, scared to be themselves, faker than Alexa. She want me cause I'm next up, said I'm like the best drug. Put it down with that smooth rhythm like I'm Questlove. Had her geeking like the chess club. Ha. And every rapper getting roasted like a chestnut. I'm on some futuristic, super gifted, smooth shit. You're too simplistic, you should stick to sniffing glue sticks. I'm stupid with it, you're just stupid. You need improvement, I made the blueprint. You reproduced it, it's no excuses. By any means necessary, I'm trying to do something legendary. I keep it so sincere, been trying to navigate the smoke and mirrors, but you just fabricate your whole career. Procrastinated on your goals for years, been calculating where to go from here. To never make it, that's my only fear. I'll be the last man standing, adapt to any climate. Your shit is trash, can't rap, and I wish you never tried it. I'm making fast transactions, cause my time is priceless. I'm looking past the distractions, I'm on autopilot. I know this world is mine, I'm a champion by design. I'm working all day, I came a long way, but I'm still not satisfied. I know this world is mine, I'm a champion by design. I'm working all day, I came a long way, but I'm still not satisfied. Still not satisfied. Still not satisfied.
I got swag, I got flash, and I'm fly, they just mad, cause I brag, and they not.
What up, what up? Welcome back, everyone. Happy Asia Monday and Canada and American Sunday night. Woo! A little bit of blood out there, eh? Let's see. Yeah. Who we have in the chat? What up? I know who we got in the chat. Here we got Wick's wife, Fine 89. What up? Good evening. Welcome. Thanks for showing up. HRJ Trading. Thanks, bro. You've been here since day one, bro. I appreciate you a lot For real, for real. Where are you in the world? Money just disappears. It's become common. Shepsky, what up? Shepsky's in the house. He's learning some hard lessons, like we all had to, I'm sure. Quite the fun part of the journey. $1 trades. Shout out to $1 trades for making that less expensive. Wish I would have done that in the beginning. Elephant, the world's only printing elephant. What's up? What's up? Welcome, welcome. Appreciate you. Thanks for coming. Elephant's in the chat for the world's last endangered printing elephant. Yeah, I just learned one of those mistakes like like last month, bro. I earned it back, but whew, it sucked. Just gotta take profits on H-bar. Yeah, right. Is that who I think it is? No. Is that Mark Dutch? The man, the myth, the legend? Dutchy, what up, Dutchy? Wood shoes in the chat. Shout out to Dutchy's third leg. I'll throw a leg in. Wood shoe, wood leg. Here we go. Wood shoe, wood leg in the chat for Dutchmeister. Yay. Okay, let's get a broad overview of these epic markets that we chose to trade for some reason. Does it sound good? Hope it sounds good. Yeah, I blew in the mic. It's good to go. Yeah, wooden shoes, baby. Love the sound of clogs on the on the ground in the morning. Just reading the chat. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's just top down this. So we got this. Top down. The song Top Down comes on. We're top downing. Love it. Shout out to Mitchell Lawler, Edmonton, Alberta. Epic rapper. And Justin Cartier from Lloydminster. Or Onion Lake, I guess, but whatever. See, this is what you like to see when you start looking to build some longs. Heavily oversold on multiple time frames. 5 and 15 minute kind of just go back and forth. I wouldn't. Those are more scalpages, but 4 hour looking. What is this? Like the third fall? The third fall on the first at the same fall, and it's just taking forever on the 4 hour. Heavily oversold though, and lots down here heavily oversold on the 1 hour as well. And let's check out the long short ratio. On the 4 hour, I like this one. This one's on the app. This is easier. So just look down the middle and just see what side they're leaning on. It's kind of 50-50 across exchanges. Overall though, more shorts. More shorts, you know what that means? Start building longs. Don't expect that to work in like 5 minutes though. That's like could take an hour, could take 4, could take a while. Let's check out I didn't know there's time frames on this. That's cool. Let's check out the 12 hour. Okay, what's this? Long short ratio chart. What are these, just times? 11th, 12th. I think they're days and times. Anyway, so we're short. We're short. Oh, I can change these individually too. 12-hour, short, 24-hour, short, half hour, short. Yeah, these are rank, bruh. There's a lot of shorts chilling. You know what that means? Market maker wants to num licky them. Licky bum bum. So yeah. RSI heat map. Long short tool. They both say we should look for some longages. Possibly. Not definitely, but leaning that way. Liquidation heat map. I feel like liquidation heat map can go either way sometimes. It's like they know we look at this stuff. This is like, but like we cleared out a lot of liquidity on the downside. Not much left to grab, really. Let's check out, yeah, a 3-day. We're already on the 3-day. I guess we could check out the week. See, this is what bugs me about the liquidation heat map. Oh, I guess it's showing some liquidity up here. But like, look, it's like, it says there's none right here. It says there's like almost none right here. So you're telling me nobody's short from 89,578, like right here at these relatively equal highs? You're telling me nobody's short right here? You think there'd be a juicy yellow bar right there? Just me though. That's just me. Maybe we'll see it if we go down on the time frame here. A little bit. There's still like empty spot. I feel like that's a data problem. Like, it doesn't seem real to me. I can't believe there's like that little. Like, look at that. That's crazy, bro. It says 0. There's 0 people short from 89,500 and 89,600. Like, you know, that's why liquidation heat map to me is like, it's worth noting. But yeah, looking shady. Anyways, a little bit of liquidity just below these recent lows, of course. I'm sure people opened up longs right now here, so that's probably them. More than likely, this is them. This is the low leverage people probably. And then we got a ton of liquidity up here. And based off the long short tool and the RSI heat map, it's looking like juicy longs to look for. I gotta keep an eye on my positions. So yeah, let's do our weekly prep. Mark Dutch, I gotta check out the chat. HRJ, all set. SHADY Setterson's in the house. I'm gonna drop some anchors for all set. Anchor gang, love this guy. He gets it. Sometimes all you need is an anchored VWAP. Anchor gang. Oh yeah, my positions. Just a quick peek. Whoo. Oh, sweet, bro. Hang on. Papa's getting paid. Closey. Thank you, Zek. Thank you, Zek Long. Thank you for your service and your attention to this matter. Let's see what else we got here. Ondo's almost in profit. Pixel's almost in profit. H-bar's in profit. I already pulled profit off that. Let's see if we did enough to cover. Just a touch off. What do we got here? 49. I'll just leave it alone. Yeah, let's leave it alone. Ondo's almost in profit. I gotta watch that. Zach, bro, I should have left Zach. I'm up like an extra 5% now. I had like $300 in this, but I follow my rules, right? So I de-risk to my original position size, so that if the market wants to pull its normal market fuckery like it does, I can survive it and not take lickies, not take stops, and I gotta add to my Zach short. Just a smidge. There we go. Just a smidgy. Everything else is good. Okay, let's top down, do our weekly analysis, pre-week analysis, whatever. It's like a weekly prep. I do a weekly prep. let's do that. Bitcoin. We'll do it on Bitcoin because Bitcoin's dead. Oh, stopped so hard, bro. From Friday. What? We didn't take weekend lows yet? We got new weekend lows. But we didn't even take the old ones. And we lost this anchored VWAP. Let's drop a new one from the lows. We lost that one too. Whew. Bear vibes, bear vibes, bear vibes. Yeah. Oogly. Oogly. See where the high. Hang on, just want to check. Huh. So much for that. I gotta redo this fibbage. Whatever. I'm just gonna drop some anchored VWAPs quick. Just for fun. Because I love them. Make it bullish from the highs. Okay, and then we tapped it. See? So whenever we tap it, I've learned it's good to drop another one off the tappage. So I dropped another one off the tappage, and then we tapped it a couple times. So let's drop a new one off the first tappage. Could be argued that this, but I might just go to the high in between the two, actually, to be honest. Yep. That's my story, I'm sticking to it. Okay, so we got some new targets there on the anchored VWAPs. And then let's do a macaroni fib. Or let's mark our levels. So let's do the weekend high and low, the new weekend high and low. Where is this puppy? Shout out to Dutchy for making my weekend high and low not so annoyingly bright. I was watching one of my streams when we were doing this weekend thing, the high and low. Caliphant or someone asked me what the shaded area means. That's the weekend high and low. It's the free indicator. It just, there's so many things. Like, I'm a Confluence guy, so I do so many things. The more little things I can toss on to cut my human error and thinking and wasting brain power on, I just do it. I don't care if it's something as simple as that or what. So it's free. It's right here. Weekend, Saturday, Sunday, by some head. I'm just kidding. It's not by some head. It's by. Where's the public? Oh, settings. That's not. It's by some head, bro. Oh, about the script right here, right here. It's by. Oh, Veronimus. I guess I should follow him if I'm using this stuff all the time. It won't let me. Not following you then, bud. Sorry. Okay, so yeah, weekend high low. I feel like we should keep this one on. Previous weekend low. Just because we know there's a ton of liquidity chilling that hasn't been taken, right? Has it? Oh, bro, that's not even the weekend. Hang on. I moved that line lots, bro. That was a huge accident. We did take the weekend lows. Just now. So the new weekend low, we took the weekend lows on the next weekend. So now the new weekend lows are here. Sometimes I move lines and do, you know, human stuff, because I'm human. Imagine that, eh? Imagine that. Now what? Weekend highs are right here. Nice. I hope we take those. Because we're basically coming into Monday right off the weekend lows. So it's a good chance we can take these highs. Oh yeah, this setup was garbage. It got stopped. So we'll do the previous month. Checking the chat. Oh, you got Ondo long, bro? Sweet. Yeah, it's looking juicy, eh? Oh, sweet. Mondo longs in profit, bro. De-risk. I was a little over allocated. Sometimes I get a little button pushy with the ladder button. Sometimes my ladder button gets a little pushy. Well, because they'll bore you. They'll go like so tight range and bore you. So then you get used to like adding on the lows, taking profit at the highs, adding on the highs, taking profit at the lows, and back and forth. But then they'll throw you right off and they'll full send it. They'll like start like whipsawing and full send it, and then you'll be doing your normal ad that they got you comfortable with, the boring price action. And they do that to entice people to increase their leverage and size too. That one was in the red. Whoops. Whatever, I think I'm in profit now. Barely. But whatever, I de-risked, I got ammo back. I'm balling on a budget, I'm happy. Just gonna set a limit order at the lows in case we sweep them. 4 through. There we go, one there. That makes me feel good. Now let's take away these huge ones. Move these down. I'm just moving my emergency limit orders lower because my average entry is way better. And I threw a limit order at the lows in case they sweep the lows before they give me some money. H bar is still good. What else we got here? TRB, bro, I gotta show you guys this. I was in TRB when it like mooned. Woo! Printing. But anyways, back to our pre-week analysis. Prep. Our Asia Monday, Western Sunday, weekly prep. Okay, so we're doing previous month. We already have it from last time. Now let's do the previous week, high and low. Just to make sure we're locked in. Pretty sure we are. Pretty sure we are. Let's see. Oh, sweet. Previous week high and low is part of that now. So that green. Why is it? Oh, those are those take profits. What's the next color on the color? Orange, I think. Wasn't I doing orange for previous week? Or previous day? Oh, I did red for previous week that night because I was ignoring weekend lows for a bit. So yeah, let's do orange. I'll switch it up. I'll get rid of this. Bye. Okay. Let me just check these colors here. I like to go left to right. Yeah. Red, orange. Yeah, then yellow will be like previous day. Okay, so orange is our previous week high and low. Just make sure that's pretty good. To make these lines thicker, you can be... You don't need the magnet tool because close is close enough. Hack. Okay. And then previous day. Ooh, couple heinies. Nice. Previous day high and low. Blue that in green, did I say? So the next color. Or no, yellow we're gonna do, right? Green was just take profits, I think. Let's get rid of it. Or let's change the color. Let's use it yellow. This one can be yellow. There we go. So we're on this day. Still developing. So that's previous day level. Oh, look at all these juicy levels. We're sitting on a lot of previous, and weekend low support. Previous day. Oh, previous day high is close to weekend high too. Juicy, very juicy. RSI heat map and long versus short and liquidity heat map are all telling us to look for some longs. Okay, so that's that part. We need to do a macaroni fib. Or the macaroni fib should be right still. Right, macro fib. Yep. Still right. Okay, cool. I don't have to change everything. We just... Oh, look at this uptrend too, bro. Macaroni uptrend. Is it? Is it? Yeah. Macaroni uptrend for the win. So that's good too. Should we make this line thin so it doesn't clutter the chart as much? Yeah, like that. Then our macaroni downtrend. Make that one a thin line too. Try to leave the macro stuff in white, eh? Yo, Luke, good morning, bro. Good morning. How's it going? Asia. How's it going in Asia today? Okay, so we got our VWAPs. We got, oh, dude, we need some fixed range volume profiles. Some new ones. Where's this go to? Yeah, that's good. Now let's do another one down here. Basically range high, range low area. Like that. We're at value area. We're below value area low, I think. We'll zoom in and take a look. Let's do a macaroni fixed range though. Just to really get some data in this puppy. Macaroni. Yeah, this is a good one right here. Oh my god! Spotify's wrecking me. Oh no, it's not. I thought this was XXX Tentacion, bro. I was like, that sounds like XXX, man. I was like, I can't play that, but it's my bro's song. He's just really good. Okay, good. Woo! I was like, don't rug me, don't do this to me. YouTube or Spotify was trying to get me canceled for a while there. Okay, anyways, back to the chart. So, I want to drop this macaroni fixed range to get all this data. We're below macaroni value area low too. Got that one, tap this one. Yeah, I'm good with that. That's good there. Down. Should we, just in case, let's see what we're hitting for lower targets on the Fibonomics here off the last jog up and the trend bounce here. Yeah, we're trying to hold this 888, eh? 786, 888. Julio. Should we draw a little box just so we know it's there? No, we shouldn't, because we already hit it. No. Okay, so yeah, that's good for me. Let's go before. I'm gonna get rid of these weekend. Oh, bro, I just moved that fib. Hang on. Oh, that sucks, bro. Which one is that? Oh, it was the 888 one. Okay. I think, yeah. Yeah, that's where it was. Let's lock that. Let's avoid that altogether. Is this one locked? No, it is. I gotta double check, bro. I have to. Okay, I gotta get these weekend ranges. These weekend ranges off. They're bugging me so much. Okay, high to low. Might be a smidge off. Might be a smidge off. Hang on. It's better up there. Go down here. Yeah, we did. We wiggled. There was some wiggling that happened. Let's lock it now before it's too late. There. Okay, back down. 2 hours. Stretch it out. Yo, Infinite Team T. Hey, what's up, brother? Thanks for showing up. I appreciate you. So I'm gonna drop this before it prints, man. Because we're looking for longs. Like, why? I should have dropped this right off the bat. But whatever. Stop loss below the lows. I'm gonna target the bottom of this macro fib, but I'm not. That's like best day of the month type stuff. I wouldn't aim for it. Like for my first TP would be right here. The weekend highs and the previous day high, and yeah, that would be my first TP. So around first TP around 90,565 ish. Just say 90,500. And there's some anchored VWAPs and stuff too here. Let's see where 1-to-1 is. We'll stick to that rule. It's kept me pretty safe and happy. So 1-to-1's right here. What's that? 90,000. So basically, if we're in this long, as soon as I get to 90,000, I'd take some profit, raise my stop loss to break even, or even just a touch in profit. So if there's any slippage or whatever. But that's why I take profit before I do this, to cover fees and whatever, slippage, whatever. But yeah, I raise stop loss to break even at that point. But we're not there yet. Gotta get my stop loss back. Lows. And if we sweep the lows, honestly, this is why I don't even like the stop loss below the previous low thing. Because sweeping the lows is a really good entry. So if we swept the lows, I'd probably just re-enter anyways. So that's why I'm a fan of laddering. That's why I'd rather just widen it and just like put a limit order here at 87,500-ish. Just throw a limit order there, and then just tighten this a bit so it's not so crazy. Around there, something like that. But some people don't want to have a half order or a quarter order in and be like, oh, I only made someone a quarter order. It's like, yeah, but you didn't get stopped and you made money instead of donating. So it's like, I'd rather make money on a bunch of quarter and thirds and half positions with wider stops that I don't get stopped on than put a whole position in with a tight stop loss and get stopped like 7 times and just for it to print once or 3 times or whatever. You know, that's just how I think about it. But I'm not against nothing. If you're profitable using a tight stop loss, high leverage, awesome. Do that. Infinite team. Trophies. He's winning. Steady winning. What's this all set? Did you add a... Are you like Aquaman now? Anchor Gang. Aquaman. All set. Anchor Gang. He's throwing the what are those called? Tri whatever it's called. You know what I mean. The Aquaman thing. The cool weapon. Yep, I agree with Dutchie. That is possible. Anything's possible always. But that's definitely possible. Like, good chance. That could happen easily. So I guess it's like a little more than just possible. I guess it's like probable. It's like one of the top 2 or 3 probable options. But anyway, so that's my long. And that's my top-down analysis. And my weekly prep for BTC. That's my guess. But let's check out the oscillators. Yeah, they agree. Well, on the 2 hour. Let's check the 4. Could be curling up. Yep. Money flow's making it an effort. Let's see. Clipping on the 2 hour. It's glowing here. Yeah, bro. I wanted to, thanks for reminding me, Dutch. I wanted to go over the 18th, I think, 16th or 18th. There's like Bank of Japan, there's rate cuts and stuff, like a bunch of like potentially bad stuff, but we all know about it. So it might have got priced in. That's why we dumped a bunch, maybe. Hopefully. Sol, same as Bitcoin, but an extra % or 2. But we'll look at it. Oh yeah, I do this too. I forgot. I keep forgetting to do this. I always do this too. More so when I'm worried about a position. But USDT dominance, baby. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Oh, beauty. I think we're breaking the uptrend, boys and girls. Hope it dumps. Oh, we are breaking the uptrend. Dump it. Oh, dirty. Oh, this is the 15. That's okay. Let's check out this. Yeah, bro. Tiny candles turning pink. Blood diamond. We got some blood diamond action here. Let's go 4 hour. 4 hours got room to climb. But whatever. Doesn't mean it has to. 2 hours pretty topped out though. Check out the 1 hour. Clipping on the 1 hour. Greasy little downtrend ribbon. Yeah, we could get a little pump ski, a little Monday pump ski, and then wreck us. Or just keep pumping, we don't know. So far it looks like we could go up though. All set, says Solana. Let's check it out. Ooh, stopped in profit on my scalpity scalp, which is fine. That was just to show the RR on the short setup so far. Now we unlocked the short that we're still in, and we printed even more. Look at, almost hit full TP. Weekend lows. Unless I change that too. Let me check. Where's weekend? Oh, here it is. Yeah, that was the weekend lows. We just teased it. We might sweep them. Easy lickies. Easy lickies for MM to gobble up. But these oscillators look good for a little pump ski. I should drop this in the Discord too. Mondays are shady though. I still drop stuff though. So I'd go for another scalp long. What's this line here? Anyways, first TP would be like mid cluster, 132.8, 132.5ish. That'd be first TP. Second TP would be the previous highs, 134.28. These VWAPs probably float down to there too, same time. Final TP would be the top of this fair value gap. This is bearish fair value gap on the 2 hour. Around 138.18. Yep, 138 or no, 137.96. So yeah, let's draw that up. That's just a conservative target. Intraday, like Moon Mission. If we got a Santa rally and stuff, I'd look up there to this supply zone. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. We can put it up there. I just don't want to trip people out thinking, oh, I gotta hold this position until we get up there, because the box says to do that. But it's like, no, the box says that's the best case scenario. Okay. The box also says to take profits. Oh, what's that white line? Get out of here. So first TP, around 1-to-1, what did I say? 132 point something? Yeah. So around here, 132.3 ish. Basically 132 ish. What's all this crap on my chart, bro? I must have been playing. on the chart. Get rid of this tiny ass fib. You can see fibs too. That's why I don't do the small ones as much, because you can like see roughly where it's at. And the macro ones I'll do because like when I'm zoomed in trading, I'll forget about the macro ones. So our longs in profit, that's good. That was an easy drop, eh? Let's check out Bitcoin long. Yeah, it's in profit too. Winning. I gotta check my positions. I probably need to de-risk back to original position size on. Whoa, Zek baby. Print for daddy. H-bar, lingering. Ondo, not bad. They're all green, so it's cool. But I want my soul. Oh, nice, my soul is green. My soul is green, baby. Taking profits. Let's take some profits. Let's make sure we're on the right page here. Oh, we're on the right page. Oh, back in the red. See, just like that. Just slight, but it'll keep on. It'll print. I'm gonna add to my Zek short. Maybe it's premature if I'm expecting a lot of. No, I'll add to it. Just a smidge. Just a smidgel. Nothing serious. Just a smidge. There we go. Perfecto. Perfecto. Now we're just waiting for Pixel. My Pixel needs to get in profit. And oh, Soul's back in profit. So yeah, all my positions that I was in drawdown just yesterday, I think, are in profit. I'm at Soul. Stop jogging up and down, you fuck. TP1 Ondo hit. Woo! TP1 for Dutchy. I wish I had hotkeys with sound effects and stuff. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Or yeah, that'd be a good one. Cha-ching. Congrats to Dutchy. Ondo long. I should take some profit too. Take some profit with you, bro. Friends that take profit together, I don't know, do fun stuff together. So there, took profit there with Dutchy. Zek short waiting. Zek long, I could probably take profit off this too. It's gonna take a smidgel off of my Zek. If you don't take profit, the market will take your profit. So yeah, TP1, raise SL to break even right here. TP2. Where's my raise? I should put my horizontal raise up there. I feel like that's too much. I don't know. Yeah, I should probably do it. Okay, I'll do it. How come it didn't work? Someone's getting fired, bro. Me. Okay, so we got one. There's one. TP2 mid cluster is good, safe TP. Oh, that's already where this one is at. It's like at the bottom of the cluster. So we'll go to the highs. Extreme highs. And these anchored VWAPs. Highs and anchored VWAPs. Seems a little close, but whatever. Better safe than sorry. And then I'd put one at this undercarriage. Previous support. Flipped resistance. Plus it's near the top of this fair value gap. Yeah, I'd leave this here for a sweep of the highs in case they just sweep the highs. That's a good TP too. Let's see what the RR is on these. 1 to 1. 1 to 2. 1 to 3 basically. It's perfect. So like that's ideally that's the trade. But moon case, if we get an extra little juice out of this puppy, could go up here. I'd put another TP at these highs. Maybe just right there or something like that. And then I'd throw another one at this anchor view up. Boom, right there. You could even put it at these highs. Yeah, something like that. And then like, so I'd take profit. And then if it keeps going up to like here, sometimes I'll just add what I took here. I'll add it back in and I'll just take profit again. And then when it gets here, I'll just add that chunk I keep taking profits on. I just add it back in. And it brings your average entry up though. But you keep raising your stop. You keep your stop loss break even though the whole time. So then I'd add it back in, take profit again. And then when it gets here, I'd add it back in and take profit again. That's what I do. And then if I get stop break even, I took profit all these times. Yeah, I don't know. It's just something I do. Not financial advice. Not financial advice. Kelly is like Jesse. Oh, Sleepwise, yeah. No, Kelly's like the opposite of Jesse. Yeah, she's sleepy. She lives in Alaska, you guys. There's not much to do there. And it's safer to sleep inside than go outside and get trampled by moose, right? So think about it. You'd sleep too. Well, Dutchy might not. He might do third leg exercises inside all day, but everyone's different though, right? T.I. Joe, what? How did I miss the legend himself? Fucking waltzing into the chat here. T.I. Joe. Holy shit, what just happened? Oh, I hit a take profit I forgot about on Zach, bro. That's cool. Ish. But I didn't want to get out yet. Now I gotta reopen it. Ugh, that's so annoying. That's so annoying. Yeah, that's so annoying. Whatever. So what happens when you forget to cancel emergency TPs? Yeah, it's totally the same in Canada. I just got mad energy, so I don't sleep. I sleep when I'm in drawdown. I take drawdown naps. But yeah. No, we don't have moose, though. We don't get trampled by moose when we leave the house, though. We just chill inside and trade. No, that's what I do. But, yeah, we do lots of indoor stuff. Play guitar. Drink, blaze, bang. We like banging. What else do we do? Oh yeah, Magnet's in the chat. That's why I picked up my phone. Magnet's in the chat for Joe. Did that send? How come it didn't send? That was weird. The Matrix just glitched. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Nice. Oh, it did send on here, just not on my phone. Whatever, double magnets. Joe's special. He gets it twice. I love Joe. He's a no nonsense. No bullshit. He just says what he thinks and shows how he trades and doesn't try to confuse or complicate it, or doesn't try to make up a million terms for like one line. I love that. Because when I started, I was so confused, man. Like to Joe's point, and I get what he's saying about like other traders, like influencer trade. I wouldn't even really call them traders as much as like fake guru influencers, grifters, kind of like grifters, kind of like scammers in disguise. Like, I don't know, they're just kind of like losers. So like they sucker a lot, so they just like, oh, how can I make money off this trading and stuff? I've wasted all this money on. Like, fake guru. But yeah, so they'll make up like crazy shit, crazy terms and stuff, eh? Like I know I might do it too though, to personalize my shit, cause I like personalizing my shit. But just like with little things, like if I call stuff, I'm gonna say it like I think it, and like I say it in private. I'm not gonna hide what I call stuff. Just because, but like I teach what it is though. I don't hide it. I'm not like, ooh, this golden pocket thing that I call something else is not the golden pocket. It's a mysterious level. Like, I'm not like that. I'll tell you right off the bat, like, this is just a golden pocket fib, and I'm just calling it something else because I'm silly and I like calling shit stupid shit because it makes me happy. That's as far as I'd go with it. But some people, they try to like mask it or like rebrand all of it, like supply and demand and like everything, man. They just rebrand it all, call it random shit, and it's confusing when I was first learning because I was like, this looks like the same thing as that thing, but it's called a different thing. There would be like 5 names for the same thing, and it's like, I don't know, I just wish they mentioned that when they're teaching it as the thing they call it, or that they got taught to call it. I wish they would like just kind of reflect and be like, yo, this is also called these other 5 things. So if you're confused, don't be confused, because it is confusing. It's got 5 names, but it's just this one thing. I just wish they did that. It would have made it a lot faster. It took me a lot of hours to figure out like the same things were this different named things were the same things. But you don't put in time and effort, you might not figure it out, I guess. I don't know. But I don't know, that's why I try to keep it straightforward. Like, trend line's pretty simple. It's a trend line. It's like if you've ever seen a ruler, and a pencil before, you should be able to grasp a trend line. Anchored VWAP. It's just a volume weighted average price. I just drop them from extreme highs and lows. It's just like an average. It's kind of like a moving average, but it just includes volume and stuff. But yeah, they hit hard. Anchored VWAPs hit hard. Macro trend lines hit hard. And nothing wrong with tracking the momentum. The momentum of a downward trend. This is actually good that we keep bouncing off this same zone down here. It's actually really good. Down here. Bouncy, bouncy. Bouncy, bouncy. Bouncy, bouncy. Maybe another bouncy, bouncy. That's actually a good sign. It's good bottoming structure. Support, right? What? You're not a bot, Shep? I thought you were a bot. You're a real human? Shout out to Shepsky. He's real. Can confirm. Yeah, soul looking juicy. Oh yeah, we're here. Yeah, it's juicy, juicy. This was a good, tasty short. I'm glad I dropped it live. So like, maybe some rando made money. Ooh, I know Anita made money off of. I asked her in the Discord. She made money off that river short that we did live. That was cool. That was cool. I wish I had it on my exchange, man. That was like a 1 to 7, 1 to 8. Just reading the chat. Oh, Shepsky changed his profile pic? Sweet. Hunting picture. Nice, nice. Nothing wrong with that, bro. Nothing wrong with that. Who? Dutchy, who? Who are you not sending gift cards to? Is that a thing? Can I ask for gift cards? Is that a thing? Just kidding. Just kidding. Oh, that's so funny. Whoa, okay. Tripping. Any requests? Should we look at Ondo just to see? Just to see how our printing's doing? Man, I need to learn how to mod Wick's wife and Kelly and shit. Mark. I don't know why you guys aren't showing up. Oh yeah, that's like Soul, eh? We're just a little printage. Nice. I can see this keep going for sure. Where's a good place to drop an anchored VWAP? Lost that one. I guess from the recent low would be a good. If we can hold this. How come it didn't drop? Did it drop? Let's go to the 15. It did not. Let's try again. There. Change the color because it's from the lows. So I remember where I dropped it from. If it's in the future, like this one. I'm like, where'd that come from? It's like, it's from the lows. Oh, okay, cool. Ooh, Battle of the VWAPs, Dutchy. Battle of the VWAPs. Need to hold this one to remain bullish, and we need to get through this one to really show some bullish potential. Could drop some from the highs for some targets. Kind of blast it through here, but I'll drop one here too. It's a fixed range, bro. It's a fixed range, bro. Whatever, let's do a fixed range on the move down. Boomski. Okay, now VWAP. Yeah. So it's like use the magnet tool. Not happening. There's some targets for so long. We could put on this. Check out the moving averages too. Just for funsies. MA ribbon. Ooh, juicy confluence here at this value area high. That's the 20 value area high. Value area low. Point of control, value area low. Yeah, juicy, very juicy. 47, 48, pretty juicy, eh? Where's the schlong? Where's the long tool? I used to think schlong was just a funny way of saying long. What a noob, eh? Mark Dutchy, what a noob. What an idiot. What a loser. These are all stops. I'm already in though. I'm down here. Ish. Pretty much already hit TP1 like Dutchy was saying. Another one there. I'm just hitting value area levels because these VWAPs are floating into them, so I actually think they're good TPs. And then this 20 moving average on the daily is floating into that one, so I like that. We got a point of control here. What's wrong with that? For the move down, value area high. If I know, yeah, looks good to me. Good to me. Let's do a fib. Let's do some Fibonomics. Nice. Yeah, it's a bearish pull, so I'll make it my bearish candle colors so I remember what the frick I'm doing. That's right by my TPs too. I like that. Me likey. That's kind of hard. You can't really pull one from the low to the high because the low is right here and the high is behind us. So like any fib from these lows to these highs would have been invalidated because it would have crashed through the 888 and into the 1 or the 0 or whatever. So let's see if we can get. Oh, let's do a macaroni pull from the 1010 wick. But there's no highs after the wick. What do you do from this low to which high? Which high do you pick? So I don't like that wick. Makes me angry. Skip the line. Skip the dishes, bitch. I'm eating. Yeah, that's all I want to do. That's all I would do with that. That 1010 wick kind of messes the guy up there. Well, the fibs off the 1010 wick have been playing out though. I should actually pull from like this high to the wick. Check it out. For a macaroni one. Oh. But I was looking for intraday targets. Not long-term targets. There's some though. There's some. Yeah, there's no more lows. We can't go from the low to the high. There's no more lows. That 1010 like is the low. Low to high. Let's just see what it looks like. Just for fun. To what high? This high, I guess. The highest high we got after the wick. I don't love it. I don't love it. It does some overlap in fibbage though. Like zones. But, frick, we're so bearish, man. It's like, it seems like Seems like it would take a lot just to get us up here, eh? But we've been going down for so long, too. Yeah, we're due for a juicy bounce, eh, Dutch? Christmas, or Santa Rally. Santa Rally. Santa Rally. Oh, is it time for Joe? 5 minutes. So anyways, that's my intraday, that'd be my intraday setup, though. Like, moon mission? Sure. To the 50. Day moving average. But that's just... seems silly at this point. Could drop a... See, we are losing momentum on the downtrend, though. We're getting these jogs up. It's like fighting. Yeah, we might take some liquidity, man. Like, even at this high, it'd be cool. Just around like 55. Yeah, around 55, that'd be cool. That'd be enough to cheer me up. But that's the point of trading. You print both ways, right? Don't need it to go up. Don't need it to go down. You just need the candles to move. Day trading. As long as the candles are moving. Printing. But yeah, that'd be my intraday setup. Ooh. And this would be like best day of my life. It'd be a good go. What? No? Little guy fight on the bottom of your screen. Is that what? That's so sweet, Kelvin. We gotta rig that up. I want to see that. Like, I'd be able to watch you guys scrap. Is that what you're telling me? Oh, Joe in a tank top. That'd be so sick, bro. He's getting swole. He's burning calories, bro. He's making moves. How many steps do you get in a day, Joe? It's gotta be more than 10,000. It's gotta be. Shep and Wick's wife for cooking something up. What's this? Fish and potatoes. Nothing wrong with fish and potatoes, bro. That's a good time every time. Brain food. BTC doing good. Slow and steady. I'm gonna check my positions quick. Just to make sure I'm not missing out on any juicy locked in profits. H-bar good. Oh, I am. Pixel is in profit. And I am... oh, frick. I got one close. And why is it slipping into the red? It says it's green, man. That makes me so fucking mad. Oh my god. I just lost 48 cents, you guys. I'm gonna snap. This lag is unreal. Is it because of the fees? Whatever. 48 cents is a small price to pay to get my capital back. Oh, sweet. So long's in profit. This won't slip me to hell. Boom. Just got that 48 cents back. Thank you very much. Whew. I was going to trip, bro. Okay, back to original position size on Sol. Love it when a plan comes together. Now I am sitting pretty. Average entries are low. I'm gonna add to my Sol short in case we get a pullback. Yep. It's only 11. Yeah, I'll do it. Boom. Okay, add it to my Sol short. All positions are green except for Zek short and Sol short. And back to original position size on everything except for the Zek short, Sol short, and the Pixel long. Okay, now it's in profit. Boom. There, I'm up on Pixel. It's weird how it lags, man. Oh my god. It gave me way less than it said it was going to give me, the piece of shit. What a lying piece of shit. It slipped me, bro. It said I was going to get my money back plus some profit, and then it slipped it to 1 cent. Fucking shit coins. That's why you don't trade shit coins, ladies and gentlemen. Unless you're in at Pico bottoms. But I'll get it back on the original position size, I'm sure. So yeah, that's cool. How many positions I got? Way too many. 7. That's like breaking a lot of rules. Maybe I should de-risk. No. I feel good about this pump. I feel like we're well overdue for it. Sec short is almost in profit. Yeah, so whatever. 5 out of 7 positions. Okay, time for T.I. Joe. Have a good night. Thank you guys for coming. I appreciate all of you. Dutchy, Kelfant, Shepsky, WWF, Traded Tuition, Lurkers, Lingerers. All set. Seti Setterson. Thanks for showing up. See you guys at Joe's, bro. Happy printing.